Hello guys, welcome to my channel N Easy One. So in this video I want to talk about on how you can connect your wallet on Tapswap, even though I wasn't serious on the Tapswap tapping. So the Tapswap is going to be launching at different features and activities in 2 days, measure from the DEX. And these DEX in Tapswap allow users to seamlessly trade cryptocurrency directly with others on a secure, decentralized exchange. And not only that they are launching on the DEX, they are also launching on what they are calling the Tapping Town. So this Tapping Town is a new interactive features in the Tapswap build app. Build and manage your virtual town, complete challenges and earn reward to increase your airdrop share. So this tapping town is also launching on 2 days time, and one of the biggest things which the Tapswap has just did was for you to connect your wallet on your keeper address, and the connection of wallet is under the Ton ecosystem. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Ton Tapswap to your Ton wallet step by step. So let's go ahead and connect our wallet. So you can see this is my Keeper wallet. But before we can connect my wallet to my Keeper, all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel and Easy One, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates. Firstly, before we can connect our wallet, what I would like you guys to do is to go to where it says wallet. First thing, we have to create a new wallet, and this is because for security reasons. But before we can connect, just go to where it says wallet by the top of your hand. So click on where it says wallet. So after that, what you need to do is to click on where it says add wallet. So after adding the wallet, the next thing to do is to click on where it says new wallet. So you can see that I've just successfully created a new wallet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the name of this wallet to something like Tapswap Claim. So let's go ahead and change it. So what I'll do next is to click on where it says continue. So you can see that I've successfully created a new wallet on my Keeper. So what we will do now is to go to our Tapswap bot. So this is our Tapswap bot. So what you need to do is to go to where it says connect wallet. So let's choose Keeper. So you can see that, click on where it says connect. So we are going to add the passcode which you use in connecting your wallet. So you can see that my wallet has been connected successfully ASAP without any issue. So I will advise you, for those who want to connect your wallet to your Tapswap, I will advise you to create a new wallet, because this for a security reason. Just create a new wallet for you to be able to connect your Tapswap to it. So let's go ahead to our Tapswap bot. So you can see that my wallet has been connected successfully. You can see my wallet address on top of the bot that it has been connected successfully. And also this is how you can connect your wallet successfully to Tapswap. Also, the Tapswap also posted that on their withdrawal time that there will be an allocation, and this allocation will be based on the activities which you perform on the Tapswap bot. So I would advise for those who are not serious in these activities to complete most of the activities through the attack section. So you can see in the attack section there are various activities given to you there which you must complete. So these activities will base on the allocation which will be given to you, and you guys will not like to lose this allocation. So now we have come to the end of this video. So if you find this video more helpful to you and also more engaging to you, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel and Easy One, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.